we are back at a local favorite. If you've been following the channel, you'll remember my review of the old Red Leaf restaurant. Well, they're officially renovated and reopened at Mile 1 Jalan Tutong, and I've been dying to see if the food still holds up after the big 2025 glow up. But before I even stepped inside, I noticed something mysterious. Stay tuned to see why this place looks completely different from the street. First thing you'll notice from the outside are these long curtains covering every glass window. It's a total mystery. You can't see who's inside or how busy it is. I took a gamble and headed in mid-morning to beat the lunch rush. Step inside and wow, it's a total transformation. It's much brighter and feels so much more spacious. They've removed those old side cubicles, opening up the whole floor. It actually feels like a community spot now. We even bumped into some old friends we hadn't seen in ages. We started with the dim sum menu. And you can easily taste the effort. The siu mai was the highlight. Sweet, succulent, and clearly handmade, not that generic commercial stuff. The pai kut, or braised pork ribs, were seasoned perfectly with black bean and yam. That sauce is dangerously tasty. And for the chicken feet lovers, this is a win. The meat literally falls off the bone. It made my day. Next up, the Kolo Meepok. This is loaded. Minced pork, char siu, and crispy fried shallots, all coated in a fragrant onion oil. It's savory, it's rich, and honestly, the portion is huge. You could easily share this between two people if you're ordering other sides. Now let's talk about the pork leg rice. The sauce mixed with the rice is delicious, and they added fu chok or dried bean curd. However, compared to the old red leaf, I felt they went a bit heavy on the bean curd and lighter on the actual pork leg. Still tasty, but a bit of a shift in ratio from what I remembered. We couldn't leave without hitting the pastry section. We grabbed char siu buns, fried yam buns, and red bean buns for tea later. You can tell these were baked fresh today. They have that perfect, just made texture that you only get from a kitchen that cares. So, is the new Red Leaf worth the visit? Prices for dim sum have crept up a little, and some portions have changed, but the quality is definitely still there. The atmosphere is a huge upgrade, even if those curtains make it look like a secret club from the outside. If you've visited the new Red Leaf since the reopening, let me know in the comments. Did you prefer the old cubicles or this new open layout? Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you plan your next meal in Jalan Tutong, and subscribe for more Brunei food reviews. See you in the next one. Bye!